If you fell feet first into a black hole, you wouldn't die instantly. For a while, nothing would feel wrong. So, moment by moment, what would you actually see and feel on? First, the setup. A huge, calm, supermassive black hole in deep space. And you in a sturdy spacesuit. We pick supermassive so you survive the first part of the fall. From a safe distance, it looks like a dark sphere wrapped in a glowing disk. Starlight bends around it into eerie halos, gravity literally warping light. Your ship's engines fail. You drift closer, then commit. You step outside and let yourself fall, feet first, toward the darkness. At first, you feel almost weightless. The black hole's pull on your head and feet is nearly the same, so your fall feels smooth, even gentle. But clocks disagree. A friend far away sees your fall in slow motion, while your watch still ticks normally. This weird effect is called time dilation. As you near the event horizon, the point of no return, the glow from the disk brightens. Space around the black hole seems to swirl and stretch. To a distant friend, you never quite cross. You seem to freeze, dim, and fade into redder and redder light. From your perspective, you pass the horizon without a bump. No wall, no flash, just a sky that grows more distorted as the universe above you seems to speed up. Deeper in, gravity's difference between your head and feet explodes. You're stretched like spaghetti and squeezed from the sides. In a stellar mass black hole, this shredding would kill you well before the horizon. But in a supermassive one, you survive the crossing until you get much closer in. Now, no thrust or maneuver can save you. Inside the horizon, every possible future path you can take leads inward. Even firing rockets outward just makes you fall. In your final moments, tidal forces and extreme radiation overwhelm you. Space and time curve so sharply that our current physics simply stops making reliable predictions. So, step by step, you fall, freeze, stretch, and vanish. Want more space-time trips? Subscribe and keep exploring with us.